You are given a ring of charge q and the radius of ring is r, and you are asked to calculate the electric field at a point p which is x distance from its center. You can solve this problem very easily by assuming that this ring is made up of so many point charge. If you calculate the electric field of all the point charge at point P, then you will get your answer, that is electric field of ring. I mean to say is the electric field of ring is electric field of all the points which are present over its circumference 0 to 2 pi r. This is our key concept that you should keep in mind. Now, as you know, the electric field of point charge is what? K times charge times over distance square. You have to put the value of charge and distance in this expression for finding the value of electric field of point charge. Now consider a point charge dl which have charge dq and it is making electric field de in ap direction. There is also a similar element which is in opposite direction. Suppose this is at top, then this is at bottom. If this has charge dq and length dl, so it also have charge dq and length dl. It will make electric field dE in bp direction, and this will make electric field in ap direction. Both magnitude wise are equal but have different direction. This dE has two component. One is in upward direction, which is dE sine theta, and one is in rightward direction, dE cos theta. dE cos theta. Similarly, this electric field has two component. One is in downward direction, which is dE sine theta, and one is in rightward direction, dE cos theta. This dE sine theta will cancel out this dE sine theta. Means although this element is making electric field dE, but the one component of this electric field will cancel out. The only effective component remain gonna be dE cos theta. Means the effective component of electric field by this element is dE cos theta. Means you have to add on dE cos theta over 2 pi r. Means electric field of ring is integration of dE cos theta over 2 pi r. Now let's find the value of dE. The value of dE is k times charge on point charge, which is dq, over distance square. What is distance? AP is distance. Then when you do square, you will cancel out root and you will get r square plus x square. This is the value of dE. Put this value in expression, in this expression. The value of E ring is, electric field of ring is 0 to 2 pi r k dq. This is dq. Let me write. K dq over x square plus r square times cos theta, and you can also find the value of cos theta in this triangle. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse x over under root of r square plus x square. Just write x over under root of r square plus x square. So you have to integrate this expression. Next step, we have denominator x square plus r square whole raised to the power 3 by 2, and in numerator we have k dqx, and you have to integrate over 0 to 2 pi r. This is what electric field of ring. Electric field of ring. So now you have to find the value of dq. What is the value of dq? As this is a linear charge distribution, means the charge is distributed over a length, which is a circular length. So you have to find lambda. The value of lambda is total charge over total length, which is 2 pi r. If this is charge on unit length, then the charge on dl length gonna be lambda times dl. So the value of dq is lambda times dl. Put this value in the expression. K times lambda dl times x over x square plus r square whole raised to over 3 by 2. You can put k lambda x and denominator out of the box. K times lambda times x times over x square plus r square whole raised to over 3 by 2. We're just left with dl inside the integration 2 pi r. When you do integration, you will get 2 pi r. When you do integration, you will get 2 pi r. Now you have k times lambda times x times 2 pi r over x square plus r square whole raised over 3 by 2. This is electric field of ring. And you can also find the value of lambda, which is q times q over 2 pi r, total charge over total length, times k times 2 pi r over x square plus r square whole raised over 3 by 2. 2 pi r and 2 pi r will cancel out, and you will left with only k q. I forgot x, k q x over x square plus r square whole raised over 3 by 2. This is electric field of ring at point P, and point P is at a distance x from center in rightward direction. So the direction of electric field gonna be in rightward direction. So I think you understood this topic very well. Thank you.